Prince by name. I'm from Illinois. I'm here to start based on my GS practical. Ma, please, I would love to ask you a few questions based on what you're selling or based on your business. Ma, how is the current economy of the country treating you as a business?
Country and the economy is very hard now.
Wow.
The economy is very hard now. But now we are giving thanks to God because I'm refilling the gas now and it's dropping. The price is dropping now. Give thanks to God. And the PS that we are doing, as a rules and regulations of CBN now, they are deducting some money in our terminal. So that's now it's really affecting us because the price of the charge does not change. It's really affecting us. That's just it.
Ma, please, like, how much were you feeling gas before the current situation?
We are feeling the gas at the price of 1,500.
Okay.
But now it has dropped to 1,300.
Okay. From
So
one
we are
five to three.
yes, from 1,500 to 1,500 to 1,300 now. So we are still hoping for it to drop more. So for it to drop more, we know this thing is approaching now. The Ramadan is approaching.
Yes, yes.
To make it easier for everyone. So they want to refill their gas. So we are still hoping for more to drop.
Okay. Thank you so very much, Ma. I really appreciate it.